Welcome to the amazing math quiz. Are you ready to test your brain power with fun numbers, tricky puzzles, and exciting challenges? Let's see how sharp your mind really is, because in this quiz, every answer counts. Before starting, subscribe to Maham Craft channel for more exciting quizzes. 1 apple plus 1 apple plus 1 banana multiplied by 1 orange equals what? This is the right answer. 3. Two burgers plus 2 packs of fries divided by 1 fries equals what? That's the correct answer. 4. 2 apples multiplied by 1 banana plus 1 orange equals what? That's the correct answer. 4. 3 pizzas minus 1 apple and 1 banana equals what? You got it right. 1. 1 orange times 1 orange plus 1 apple times 1 banana equals what? Absolutely correct. 2. 3 donuts plus 2 apples divided by 1 apple equals what? Yes, that's right. 5. 1 apple, 1 banana, 1 orange, and 1 pizza. All together, multiplied by 2 equals what? Correct. 8. 1 burger times 1 fries plus 1 fries times 1 pizza equals what? Bingo. 2. 3 apples plus 2 oranges minus 2 bananas equals what? Spot on. 3. 2 strawberries times 1 apple plus 1 orange times 1 banana equals what? Well done. That's the correct answer. 3. 3 donuts multiplied by 1 apple plus 1 banana equals what? You nailed it. 6. 2 oranges plus 2 pizzas divided by 1 apple plus 1 banana equals what? (100% correct). 2. 1 apple times 1 apple plus 1 banana times 1 banana plus 1 orange equals what? That's the truth. 3. 4 pizzas minus 2 bananas divided by 1 orange equals what? Right on target. 2. 3 apples multiplied by 1 banana plus 1 orange equals what? Exactly right. 6. 2 burgers times 2 fries divided by 1 fries equals what? That's the one. 4. 3 strawberries plus 3 apples minus 2 oranges equals what? You guessed it. 4. 2 apples multiplied by 2 bananas plus 1 pizza and 1 orange equals what? Right choice. 6. 1 apple, 1 banana, 1 orange, 1 pizza, and 1 strawberry divided by 1 orange equals what? True answer. 5. 3 donuts times 2 apples minus 1 banana plus 1 orange equals what? Great job. That's correct. 4.
Thanks for watching.